E-Torque Honor, Holiday Doubleheader, Dodge plus Mopar equals NMCA. All right now on FCA Replay. The 3.6-liter Pentastar V-6 engine with e-torque has been named one of Ward's 10 best engines for 2019. Introduced in the all-new 2019 Ram 1500, the latest iteration of the workhorse Pentastar V6 engine delivers significant gains in fuel economy with the innovative e-torque mild hybrid system, while delivering 305 horsepower and 269 pound-feet of torque. Ward's auto judges were impressed with several e-torque features, including the nearly seamless stop-start function that recaptures energy during deceleration and braking to charge the battery pack, and the Pentastar V6 with e-torque's performance on the road with improved fuel economy of up to 22 miles per gallon combined city and highway. With this latest 10 Best Engines honor, the 2019 Ram 1500 has swept Ward's 10 Best honors by appearing on all three prestigious lists in a single calendar year, including Ward's 10 Best User Experiences for 2018 and Ward's 10 Best Interiors for 2018. 'Tis the season for giving, and FCA Canada employees and retirees took that message to heart, contributing $1,249,110 to the United Way Centraide Windsor Essex County campaign. The generosity didn't stop there. Windsor Assembly Plant employees also filled 8 Chrysler Pacifica minivans with more than $35,000 worth of toys for distribution to the Windsor Fire and Rescue Services as part of its annual Sparky's Toy Drive. Both the donation and toy drive achieved new records of giving for the Windsor Essex community. Dodge SRT and Mopar have renewed their commitment to the National Muscle Car Association for the 2019 season, giving racing enthusiasts in model year 2005 and newer FCA US LLC vehicles complimentary entry in the NMCA Dodge Mopar Hemi Shootout category. All 2019 Dodge Challenger RT Scat Pack 1320 owners will also receive a complimentary one-year membership in the National Hot Rod Association and NMCA in 2019. The NMCA Sports Opener is March 7th through 10th at Bradenton, Florida Motorsports Park. And that's a look at what's happening this week at FCA. Reporting for FCA Digital Media, I'm Betty Carrier Newman.